to Adriese's Kitchen 6-9, where I love playing with a recipe. Today, we're gonna play with mincemeat pie. This brand name is None Such or None Such. Funny name, but so delicious. I know you're asking, well, what's mincemeat? And this jar is filled with dried apples, raisins, molasses, a sort of type preserved taste. Also added with beef. Yes. So, but I'm going to put a little twist on our recipe. I don't have any pastry crust in the house, so I'm going to use Jiffy Corn Bread mix. Y'all like, yeah, she is playing with this recipe, right? And you got to add some more beef for the beef lover in the house. So get a little cocktail with me and let's have a sip while I share with you my recipe. Okay, or the bottom of this pyrex with some olive oil. Toss it around. Yeah, let's spread the bottom just a little bit. Okay, so look, I spread the bottom. Simple, easy as that. Now I'm going to take about 2 cups of this mincemeat. And spread it around. We're just playing with our recipes. You know how we do on this channel. Adriese's Kitchen 6-9. I guess I could have mixed this all together. Okay, look at there. Look at there. Doesn't that look yummy, delicious already? Okay. Real simple, easy. And I'm going to spread the top with some more mincemeat. None Such brand. It's really delicious. Oh, I just love the molasses, the combination of the preserved to me. Apples, raisins. It says it has beef in this brand, but it doesn't taste like it's beef. A lot of it anyway. Okay, well, I guess I could use this whole jar. I didn't. No need in saving none for later. Unless you want to put some on a peanut butter sandwich. We spread it all around. And now we're going to put this remaining top of the Jiffy mix on top. I'm glad I had 2 boxes of Jiffy mix, okay? Because I want the top to be thoroughly coated. Yes. Yes, look at that. That looks much better. Yep. And that way it'll cook and bake. And it'll run down the sides. Much better. This is what I was looking for. So change the recipe to 2 boxes of Jiffy mix. Or if you're good, and make your own cornbread type. If you're even better, make your own pie crust. All right. Let's put her in the oven at 375 and let's check her. Let's check on her in about 21 minutes. Ooh, looking good. 21 minutes. I'm going to turn up the oven to 400 and cook it for about 10 more minutes. We want the top to brown and the edges come from the side. We know it's done. Look, y'all. This is good. And if I could sell this with my beef lover family, I got a hit, baby. So if you like something like this sweet and beefy, your family will love it too. It's sweet, beefy, molasses. I could taste the apples and raisins. Yummy, delicious. So look, y'all. You got to love, like, subscribe my channel. Adriese's Kitchen 6'9", where I love playing with a recipe. It's all about just being creative. Whatever's in your refrigerator, you're gonna love it. Just throw it together, right? And don't forget, go to sunmoonproducts.com and order some Sneavy's Love That Spice. It is just got a unique blend of 9 different herbs and hickory smoked sea salt that just bring out the flavor in all your recipes. Thank you for watching. Enjoy life.